This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Camry bumper. First, carefully inspect the damage to your bumper. Small cracks or scuffs can often be repaired, but larger damage might require a full replacement. Next, gather your tools, including a heat gun, various grits of sandpaper, and a plastic repair kit. Finally, ensure the bumper surface is completely clean and dry, free of dirt and grease, to prepare for the repair process. For minor dents, gently heat the affected area with a heat gun, then carefully push the dent out from behind. Be cautious not to overheat the plastic. For scratches, start by sanding with 220 grit sandpaper, then progress to 400 grit and 600 grit for a smooth finish. If you have deeper gouges, apply a thin layer of plastic filler, ensuring it's spread evenly. Let it dry fully according to the product instructions. Once the filler is dry and sanded smooth, apply several thin, even coats of automotive primer. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Next, find your Camry's paint code, usually on the driver's side door jamb, to ensure a perfect color match. Apply multiple light coats of the base color, letting each coat flash dry. Finish with 2 to 3 coats of clear coat for durability and a glossy finish. After the clear coat has fully cured, wet sand the repaired area with 2000 grit sandpaper to remove any imperfections and achieve a smooth, factory-like texture. Then, use a polishing compound and a buffer to restore the shine and seamlessly blend the repaired section with the rest of your bumper. This final step ensures a professional look. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.